Welcome, today in front of me HUAWEI Nova and I'll show you how to install iPhone keyboard on this device. So first of all, just go to the app gallery. And now here on the search pool, just type Green Apple Keyboard. Green Apple Keyboard. Now we have to get this application, so tap to install and wait a few seconds while this is installing. So now we can open the application. Okay, now just tap to enable in settings, and here tap on the switcher near the Green Apple Keyboard. Now tap to OK. OK one more time. So now go back. Now tap to switch input methods, and here just change to the English United States keyboard. So now just go back and for example we'll just start messaging with someone, and now as can you see the keyboard is so close to the iPhone keyboard and the emojis. So that's how it looks. If you found this video helpful, leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.